a lot of surrealism, a lot of absurdity. So,
role, did you watch Mrs. Doubtfire? And did that help you?
No,
prepare
Tootsie
for the
came
role?
up. All right, this isn't.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil.
If you don't know me, your TV ain't been on. It's too
boy, killing it, boy, killing
You
it.
did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that: was it easier having?
Forget it. Just forget it. Just forget it.
Good day to you, sir. I don't even know your name.
Forget it, man.
Have a wonderful
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
coolest thing in the world, you know what I mean? It's so cool. You have any...
I want to blow this up on Instagram.
Listen,
I want to.
And not be angry after a while. Doing 2 tapings of fun.
Yo, I'm on the freaking Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm gonna.
What's so funny?
Tell me about that. Okay, that was it easier having?
Linguistics and eggs.
Linguistic. What is that? What the hell does that mean?
No, because it's a play on words. You know, linguiça.
Linguiça.
Sometimes you have linguiça and eggs and sausage and patties.
Yeah.
But I was just saying, you know, linguistics sounds a lot like linguistics.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.